In this video, we are going to unbox the i-mop XL Pro and show you step-by-step how to assemble your new i-mop. The i-mop XL Pro is packaged the same way as the XXL, so you'll know what to do with both i-mop models. First, open the top of the box and bend the 4 flaps backwards to see the contents of the box. We have the manual. Here you can find all important information and safety instructions. The i-mop wall chart. Always keep this in a visible place. Here you can find the parts of the i-mop, operation of the i-mop, maintenance, care, and troubleshooting. There is also a convenient calendar book which you can use daily. Then you can take out the 2 brushes, the complete squeegee, and the splash guards. The splash guards are specially made to keep the water under the scrubbing deck. Then you can take out the body of the i-mop. This contains the motor, scrubbing deck triggers, and control panel. It's time to assemble your i-mop. First, click in the splash guards like this. Then, click in the 2 brushes left and right. Once assembled, they are locked in place and cannot fall off. And lastly, the squeegee. Place the hose with the yellow click connector on the squeegee and place it on the 2 metal pins like this. Then it's time for the batteries. These are in the box or supplied separately. In the box, you'll find a charger and power cord. The type of power cord depends on the electrical connection of your country. Attach the cord and plug it in. The charger now has power. Also in the box, or supplied separately, you'll find the battery set. Take them and slide them into the charger. Slide the battery with the blue connectors in the charger with the blue contact plate, and the battery with the gray connector, in the charger with the gray contact plate. Now you'll see the capacity indicator on the LED screens of the charger. This shows you how full the batteries are. When full, remove the batteries from the charger and place them on the i-mop. Again, blue connectors on the blue contact plate, and gray connectors on the gray contact plate. We've made it easy for you as the batteries can only be mounted in one way. Now, you are almost ready to start cleaning with your new i-mop.